Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope everyone is fine. Today we are going to discuss about electric charges and fields. Electric charges, electricity, electric current. In our daily life, we use electric current. Fan, light, TV, washing machine, fridge. All electrical equipments are working with the electric current. What is electric current? Electric current means motion of charged particle. Electric current means motion of charged particle. In 10th class, you studied about some fundamentals regarding this charge. We know that there are two types of charges. One is positive charge and other one is negative charge. Electron has negative charge, proton has positive charge. And like charges repel each other, unlike charges attract each other. And we studied about some fundamentals regarding the properties of the charge, that are charge is quantized, charge is conserved, and charge has additive property. So these things you know very well. Now today we are going to discuss about Coulomb's law. Coulomb's law. Coulomb was a scientist. The unit of the charge was named as Coulomb. So Coulomb has given one equation. According to that equation, we can calculate the force of interaction between the 2 point charges. So we are assuming 2 point charges. One point charge is Q1 and another point charge is Q2. So these 2 point charges are separated by some r distance. Let us consider the medium in between these 2 point charges is air medium or free space. Then according to Coulomb, the force of interaction between these 2 point charges is directly proportional to the product of 2 point charges. That is, F is directly proportional to Q1, Q2. And the force of interaction between the 2 point charges is inversely proportional to square of the distance between them. Now when you combine these two equations, you can get F is directly proportional to Q1 Q2 by R square. If you remove the proportionality, then you can get F equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by R square. This is the force of interaction between 2 point charges, and the medium present in between the 2 point charges is free space, where this epsilon naught is called permittivity of free space. Epsilon naught is called permittivity of free space. Its value is epsilon naught equals to 8.85 into 10 to the power minus 12 Coulomb square per Newton meter square. For example, if any medium is present between these 2 point charges, in that case, the force of interaction is F equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon Q1 Q2 by R square. So this is the force of interaction between 2 point charges in a medium, where epsilon is permittivity of that medium. Permittivity of the medium. So this is called Coulomb's law. Next, we are going to discuss about intensity of electric field. due to a point charge. Intensity of electric field due to a point charge. Intensity of electric field is represented by E. Electric field intensity or intensity of electric field is represented by E. The definition of intensity of electric field is force per unit positive charge. Force per unit positive charge is called intensity of electric field, where Q0 is called unit positive charge. So our topic is intensity of electric field due to a point charge. So I consider a point charge Q. This is a point charge Q, and P is a point. This P point is at a distance R from the point charge Q. At this point P, I consider a unit positive charge Q0. Now, when you apply Coulomb's law on this case, then here one point charge is Q and another point charge is unit positive charge Q0. Then according to Coulomb, the force of interaction between these two point charges is F equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q0 by R square. This is the force of interaction between these two charges. Now, when you bring Q0 this side, then you can get F by Q0 equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R square. But according to the definition of intensity of electric field, electric force per unit positive charge is called intensity of electric field. So F by Q0, F by Q0. So F by Q0 is nothing but E. So therefore, E equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R square. This is called intensity of electric field due to a point charge Q. Thank you.